Hi, this is PandakunMusic.
In this video, I'll show you my simple workflow for making a lip sync clip from a song created in Suno AI. We'll extract the vocal stem, cut the audio into short sections in Studio One, and then use DomoAI for lip sync. This workflow helps me keep the lip sync cleaner and easier to control. Instead of working with one long audio file, I break it into smaller parts so the timing is easier to manage.
I'm going to create a new opening track for PandakunMusic using the new mashup feature in Suno AI. The great thing about mashup is that it lets you combine the styles of two different songs into one. This time, I'll mix the existing PandakunMusic opening track with a violin background track to create something new. Let's try out this new feature. I'll wait a moment. And it's done. Let's take a listen.
Step 1 is separating the vocal stem in Suno AI. Since the original song was created in Suno, I first isolate the vocal track from the full mix. This gives me a cleaner audio source for lip sync and makes the mouth movement more accurate. I only need the vocal part here because that's the most important element for syncing the character's mouth movement. Step 2 is taking that vocal stem into Studio One and cutting it into 10-second sections.
By the way, Studio One has been renamed to Fender Studio Pro as of January 2026.
I do this because shorter clips are easier to handle during lip sync. It also makes it easier to fix small timing issues without redoing the entire sequence. Working in smaller segments gives me more control over pacing, expression, and sync quality.
In my case, I use a time-saving technique where I first divide the audio into 10-second sections. Then I use the audio export between the start and end markers. A start marker is automatically placed at 0 seconds, so I simply move the end marker to the 10-second point. The key time-saving trick here is to disable the mute function and export each section sequentially from top to bottom. You can export the audio by going to Song in the top left and selecting Export Mixdown. At this stage, I choose the WAV file format to ensure high audio quality. Finally, I use this audio for lip sync, and that's it.
Step 3 is creating the lip sync using DomoAI. In the AI avatar section, select your image or video, then load the WAV audio file exported earlier from Studio One. Generate a 10-second clip with lip sync. It takes a few minutes to process, so I'll skip ahead. And it's ready. Let's take a look.
Music that moves your soul, spreading love across the world, bringing hope into your life.
The lip sync looks clean and accurate. Now let's move on to the next scene.
As I explained in a previous video, I export the final frame in Premiere Pro and use it as the starting point for the next generation. However, in this case, the character's eyes are closed in the final frame. So instead, I export a frame just before the final frame and use that as the starting frame for the next scene. Now, I select that image along with the audio exported from Studio One and generate the next lip sync video. This process also takes a few minutes, so I'll skip the waiting time. It's ready now, so let's take a look.
Pandakun music, feel the light.
The lip sync looks perfect. Finally, let's move into Premiere Pro for editing. I'll show you the editing screen and how I apply visual effects to the generated clips. Since there's a bit of extra space at the end, I'll add a logo animation to balance the overall timing of the video. When it comes to logos, having a wide range of variations is always a strong advantage. I recommend creating more and more logo clips over time and building your own creative library. Everything you accumulate will eventually become one of your greatest assets. To create a smooth transition into the logo screen, I applied a cross-dissolve effect. It's one of the most commonly used transitions among creators. For the opening, I wanted to add a bit more visual impact, so I tested a few different effects. In the end, I went with the signature light leak effect used in PandakunMusic. I'm adjusting the duration of the effect and testing different variations to find what feels the most natural. Here, I'm showing the real process of fine-tuning effects.
Experimenting with different effects like this helps expand your creative range over time.
Next, I add a light leak effect toward the end of the sequence. Unlike the transition we used earlier, this one is applied across the entire screen as a video effect. I also add a transition between the two 10-second clips. I tested both zoom blur and cross zoom, and this time zoom blur felt smoother and more natural, so I went with that. Finally, I noticed a slight difference in brightness between the two clips, so I adjusted the color to match them. Now let's watch the final result.
Music that moves your soul, spreading love across the world, bringing hope into your life. Pandakun Music, feel the light.
Once everything is set, I export the video as an MP4, and the process is complete.
I hope this workflow gave you some useful ideas for your own AI music videos. Thanks for watching, and let's keep creating.
The cold wind cuts across my face, and loneliness was my only friend. Time kept moving, dragging me along while I kept asking why I'm here at all. Searching for the answers, I can see a voice inside my heart begins to scream. Holding every pain and tear inside. I can't stop now, I still have hope to fight. Run straight through this moment, don't look back, break through fate and rewrite the line. The reason I was born into this world is in the voice that shakes my soul right now. So run forward to the endless sky. Shake up every fear and doubt you carry. Carve the truth deep into your heart and open both your hands toward the light. Even if I fall 1,000 times again, and every scar burns across my skin, the light of life will never disappear. I'll race through this world and rise again. If one day this voice begins to fade, I'll leave these